We talk a lot about Bitcoin, but what do you think about DeFi? I mean, is there any blockchain that can replace Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever?
Well, the thing, you just hit the nail here. DeFi is what we call a decentralized finance. We invented DeFi basically 11 years ago. Bitcoin is a DeFi network. Then Maker came along, which you could collateralize your Ethereum in order to get a programmable stablecoin, which we call DAI, which was backed into the dollar. That was DeFi as well. But now we saw the word DeFi and the craziness of DeFi over the last few months. DeFi, the decentralized finance, is wonderful because it's going against the Wall Street, basically, and it can provide so much into the underbanked people. There are billions of people without banking, and decentralized finance doesn't care about your ethnicity. It doesn't care about your wealth status. It doesn't care about anything. You can join into the decentralized finance network of your choosing. You can get a loan. You can get a credit score. You can use that money to spend it in your everyday goods or needs that you have. It's been going crazy, and we haven't saw anything yet because we are in the discovery mode of this emerging application. Now, in terms of replacing Ethereum did something really well that has right now that no one else has. It's a network effect. So replacing a network effect is very hard, but there are prospects. If they do right, they might have a chance, not replacing Ethereum, but work alongside Ethereum. And that's how we see things. We see things in a way that we don't compete with each other, but actually working with each other. And some blockchains are going to be better for some other use cases, and some others for a different use case. Now, in terms of Ethereum, as I said, it has a huge network effect, and it doesn't go anywhere. Everything is there. Whatever you promote, faster, cheaper. If you don't have the community and people willing to build on top of it, there's nothing. Even if you incentivize them with money.
I'm pretty excited. On 18th of February, 6 p.m., we're going to have the event with George Lambrianides. George, who are you? Tell our future audience.
Oh, I'm the lead blockchain of Antikythera Capital, a hedge fund based in the United States that invests in crypto assets and crypto companies. And also I'm the founder of Known District, which is a company based in Cyprus. That is a wealth management platform that generates Bitcoin denominated returns. I'm very excited to see you all on 18th of February.
So see you everyone on the 18th.